What's up, you guys? It's Black Rihanna. I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this black fur headband on my head. Okay, you're going to need scissors, you're going to need your glue gun and glue stick. Make sure it's on. You're going to need your fur fabric. I got from Amazon. I can link it below. And I also got these elastic bands from Amazon as well. Okay, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I really do not like this fur. It reminds me of a gorilla my dad brought my mom for Valentine's Day back in the day. You're gonna need Scotch tape as well to tape the open end of the fur together, just so that you know it'll stay while you cut the other end. You want to go ahead and cut straight along a crease so that it's even. Okay, so now you're going to line up both of the pieces together. You want to make sure all the fur is going in the same direction, like I'm doing here in the video, because you don't want people to see where you're actually going to glue the fur together at. Now you're just going to take your hot glue gun and you're going to go along the edge of the fur. Try not to get it on the actual fur. You don't want to put it on top either because you don't really want it to overlap. We're just going to put it together kind of like a puzzle. Okay, so once you have that together, you let that dry. It dries pretty quickly, to be honest. And then you go ahead and turn it over to the other side and make sure that your fur is straight across. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is go ahead and turn that over, and we're going to go ahead and fold the edges of the fur so it doesn't just look like we wrap fur fabric around our head. And also, you don't have to make it as small as I did. You could fold it up as far as you want depending on A, your head size, and B, how big you actually want the fur band to be. So you're going to take your hot glue gun and go ahead along the edges of where you folded up just so that it can stay. And also, you guys, you don't have to use a hot glue gun. I just think it's an easier method than sewing because I really suck at sewing. And you're only going to do this for the top and the bottom of the headband. Don't forget to like and comment on this video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button as well so that you can become notified every time I post a new video. We're only doing the top and the bottom of the headband. Do not do the sides because we're going to end up putting those together and we don't want the back of our head to look bulky. Okay, so after you're finished this part, go ahead and wrap the headband around your head and cut off the excess part of the headband because it is pretty long, so I know everybody's head is not big. Now we're going to take our elastic band and we're going to cut small strips to basically put the back of our headband together. For this part here, make sure that you push the fur back so that it does not get caught in the glue. Okay, so once we put these together, we're basically done with the headband. Just comment and let me know what you guys actually think of the headband or the method. It's a pretty quick method. It only took about 25 minutes to make. I got all of my supplies from Amazon. If you have any questions, you feel free to contact me. Thanks again for watching, you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial. If I come across a better fur, I will definitely do an updated video. But if you like this fur band, go ahead and comment, like, and please subscribe to this channel. Also, don't forget to hit that notification button. Bye. Thanks for watching.